Here we are, the postman has arrived. Let's see what's in the box. Plastic pedals, not sure we'll be using those. There she is! Look at that! How exciting! Whoa, she's so shiny! You want to have a closer look? Straight out of the box. Well, still in the box. Shiny, shiny. Oh, that better not be scratches there. Oh, look, it's got a bottle gauge. Oh, shiny. Shiny, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, look at it. Oh, so clean and lovely. Oh, that is beastie. Wowzers. Right, we've got some more packaging to get rid of now, so bear with. That is it. Should we turn her on? Haven't got any pedals yet. Shimano steps. Got barely any battery. Gonna have to plug her straight in. One little red battery. We need to plug her in and charge her up. Give her some juice. But yeah, she is looking awesome. Really good. Proper slam that saddle in. I think that might have to be where it lives because I am quite short. Absolute beauty. Megawatt. There's the EP8, Shimano EP8. Looking forward to trying this out. Amazing. High roller too on the back. And what have we got? Oh yeah, that's that guy. Nice. She's perfect.